Here is how to export expense reports from QuickBooks Online, step by step. Begin from the main QuickBooks Online screen and look to the navigation menu on the left side. Click Reports to open the Reports area. This is where QuickBooks keeps the standard financial and transaction reports, including reports that focus on spending by vendor or supplier. Once the Reports page opens, use the search field to find the expense report you want. You can open a report such as Transaction List by Vendor, Expenses by Vendor Summary, or Expenses by Supplier Summary. Choose the report that matches the kind of detail you need. A transaction list will show individual entries, while a summary report will group totals by vendor or supplier. After the report opens, set the date range for the information you want to export. You can do that by selecting a report period from the available options or by entering your own from and to dates. Make sure the period matches the expenses you want included in the file before you continue. If the dates are not correct, the exported report will reflect the wrong results. If needed, adjust the report settings before exporting. You can apply filters or customize the report based on the options available for that specific report. This part is optional, but it is useful if you want the export to show only certain vendors, categories, or transaction details. Review the visible report settings once before moving on so the exported file matches what you expect to see. In some cases, QuickBooks will require you to refresh the report after you change the date range or customization settings. If you see the Run Report button, click it to update the report with your current selections. Wait a moment for the report to reload if needed, then confirm that the data on screen looks correct. When the report is ready, go to the top of the report and click the Export icon. This opens the export options for the report you are viewing. From there, choose the file format you want. Select Export to Excel if you want to work with the report in a spreadsheet, sort the data, or save it for further analysis. Select Export as PDF if you want a fixed version that is ready to review, print, or share in that format. After you choose the export type, QuickBooks will generate the file, save the exported expense report to your computer, and choose a location where you can find it again without searching through multiple folders. If your browser asks where to save the file, confirm the folder and file name before finishing the download. Your expense report is now exported from QuickBooks Online and saved to your computer.